Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically detect proxy settings on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, and you want to type in Settings. Best result should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the Network and Internet tile. Select Proxy on the left panel near the bottom, and then once you've done that, on the right side there should be an option that says Automatically Detect Settings. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.